Your refrigerator has two different ice makers. The fresh food ice maker, located in the refrigerator cabin and hooked up to the indoor exterior ice dispenser, and the freezer ice maker, located in the freezer drawer. If you are experiencing issues with your fresh food ice maker, these quick troubleshooting tips should have it working in no time. First, make sure your ice maker is turned on. Press and hold the ice maker button on the control panel for 3 seconds until it is illuminated. If recently installed, check that the refrigerator is connected to the water line and the water valve is open. Also, check that the line isn't kinked. This can happen when the refrigerator is pushed too far against the wall. Next, check the water filter in the top right side of the fresh food compartment. Ensure the water filter is seated properly by removing and reinstalling if needed. Be sure to rotate it fully into the locked position. Your water filter may be clogged or overdue for a replacement. To maximize your filter's performance, we recommend you change the water filter every 6 months, or when 125 gallons of water has been dispensed. To replace, pull the water filter cover forward to access the filter and then pull the filter out. To install a new filter, push the filter into place and push the cover up and back. The cover will snap into place when secure. After installing a new filter, make sure you prime the water line by pressing a glass or pitcher to the paddle and running water through the dispenser for approximately 3 minutes or 1.5 gallons. If you are experiencing issues with your freezer ice maker, these quick troubleshooting tips should have it working in no time. First, make sure your ice maker is turned on. Press and release the power button on the front of the ice maker. Next, make sure the water pressure on the unit is not too low. It's normal for a reverse osmosis system to be below 20 psi during the regenerative phase. Remember, if your refrigerator was just installed, it may take up to 24 hours to start producing ice. Your ice maker should make about 2 to 2.5 pounds of ice every 24 hours, depending on usage. Opening and closing the door excessively can also hinder ice production. Ice cubes freezing together? This happens when the ice is not used frequently, or there's been an extended power outage. Simply remove the ice container, discard the ice, and make a fresh batch. Tip: check your ice bin a few times a month and discard any large clumps you may find. The ice maker should go through at least 2 cycles a week to prevent this from happening. Ice cubes are small or hollow? It's likely that your ice maker is not getting enough water due to a clogged water filter or restricted water supply. Try changing your water filter and checking for any kinks in the water supply line. Or the saddle valve and water valve may not be turned on all the way. With these tips and tricks, your ice maker should now be ready for your next glass of water or family get-together. For more information and tips, reference your use and care manual or visit us online on the Electrolux website. For better living, Electrolux.